In today's video, I'm going to teach you create hyper-realistic AI human scenes with Hailuo AI. We'll walk through the exact workflow to turn a written idea into a photorealistic image of a human scene, and I'll share practical tips so you get great results the first time. First, open your browser and head over to the official Hailuo AI website. Using an up-to-date browser helps the app run smoothly, and a stable internet connection will make the generation process faster and more reliable. When the homepage loads, you'll be ready to start creating. Next, click on Create Image. This takes you straight to the canvas where all the magic happens. Think of it as your control center, a single prompt box and a button that will spin your words into a lifelike scene. If you don't immediately see the option, look toward the main navigation or prominent call to action area. It's designed to be easy to find. Now, type your prompt. For hyperrealism, clarity and specificity matter. Describe the subject and setting in concrete terms. For example, a candid portrait of a person in soft morning window light, shallow depth of field, a 50mm lens look, natural skin texture, and a neutral background. Add details that shape mood and story like wardrobe, pose and environment, studio, street, or home interior. Include lighting cues such as golden hour, overcast, or neon, and add composition notes like close-up, waist-up, or full body. Keep it concise but intentional, and avoid including any private or sensitive information. If your goal is a cinematic vibe, brief camera language like low angle, eye level, or backlit can help guide the result without overloading the prompt. When your prompt looks good, click Create or simply press Enter. There's no need to overthink it. You can always refine the wording afterward if the first pass isn't perfect. Short, well-aimed prompts often beat long, cluttered ones, so focus on the few details that matter most to the scene. Now, wait for it to load. You'll see the generation status while Hailuo AI composes the image. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and current server activity, this can take a moment. Let it finish. Navigating away too early can interrupt the process. Once the image appears, take a breath and look for the hallmarks of realism. Believable skin tones, consistent lighting and shadows, natural hair edges, and hands and eyes that feel authentic. If something looks off, note the specific detail you want to improve, lighting, angle, or background, and keep that in mind for your next prompt revision. That's the complete flow. Visit the site, click Create Image, enter a focus prompt, create, and let it render. With a clear idea and a few well-chosen descriptors, Hailuo AI can deliver striking human scenes that look like they sprang from a high-end camera. Try it out and build on what works.